Hi friends, this is Suprina again. So today I'm going to show you another good tip for your face. So do you see this? This is called Jade roller. It's actually not a jade, but it is like a pink quartz for me. You can use jade, you can use other stones too. As you all know, these stones has a very positive energy. When you use it on your face, it just gives you a positive feeling like instantly. I tried it on my face. It feels amazing. It feels so cool on your face. You can put it in a fridge too. On its own, the rollers or the stones are cold on its own, but if you keep it in the fridge, it gives you an amazing result. This is very good for somebody who's looking for facelift without going for a facial surgery or without going for any artificial, like Botox or fillers. This is a very, very good tool that you can use at home on a regular basis. So it has two sides. The bigger side is for the cheeks and the smaller side is for the chin, for the nose, and for the forehead, and around the eyes you can use it. So it has a lot of benefits. So the first benefit of this is that it improves the blood circulation in your face. It also gives you a lymph drainage, like if you have any puffiness, if you have a water retention, or you have like your face is swollen for some reason, this calms it down like a big time. I would say, like, if you are starting to see aging in your skin, if you start to see that your skin started to get saggy, like if you see that I have laugh lines, so I'm going to work around here, and if you see I have dark circles, so I'm very excited about this stone. I'm just looking forward to to see what results that's going to give me. Without talking too much, let me show you how we're gonna use this. So I cleanse my face. As you know, you need to prep your skin if you're doing any treatment. As in my previous treatment, I showed you that I took all the dead cells out, so my skin is ready to take any good stuff in. So you can use any serum that you use on a daily basis. If you're using a hydrating serum, you can use that. If you're using anti-aging serum, you can use that. I am going to use vitamin E, or you can use any facial oil. You don't need to use too much. You just take few drops and you just dab it, because you want to make sure that you're rolling the roller without without putting too much pressure, so you can roll it smoothly. So I'm just going to use few more drops to make sure that it has enough. So I'm going to use it a little bit on my neck. So see, like right here. Oh, it smells so good. So I'm going to take this roller. You can keep it in the fridge for a few minutes and bring it out. So I'm going to start this rolling on my neck first. So I'm going to go 5 times. 2, 4 and 5. So make sure you are not rolling it like this. You're rolling upwards. That's going to make your skin a little bit pink because you're putting a little bit pressure, but make sure do not put too much pressure, but it has to roll. It has to roll properly on your skin. So on one section I'm going 5 times, and I want to make sure that I don't miss anything. So you go, keep on going like 5 times on one section. So I'm gonna go on my chin and my jawline, and I'm going to roll it like this 5 times. 5 times on this side and 5 times on this side. Make sure you're going upwards, like banana strokes that we use. And I'm going to go this way. 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to go this way. I'm going to go this way on my cheekbones. Wow, it feels so good. It feels cold, but it is really smooth. Feels really good. Make sure you do not put too much pressure, but enough so the roller can roll. Okay, so I'm gonna go with the smaller side. I'm gonna go on my lips, and I'm gonna go on these lines as well. I'm gonna go around my eyes. Very important to go around your eyes. It really helps with the puffiness, and it really helps with the dark circles. I'm gonna go on this side. I'm trying not to make a face because my son always makes fun of me. He's like, Mom, why you make so many faces? But I don't know how, like, you know, when you're doing something like this, you just tend to make a face. So on your nose, you go upwards like this. You see the skin is getting a little bit pink. That's what you want to see. And I'm gonna go here. That's what we want to see because the blood is circulating, and you want to see the blood circulation happening. If you give a close look right here, and then I can always repeat this. Like, just spend, I would say, 10 minutes every day before you go to bed. It's gonna be really good for your skin. You will see that those fine lines are going to start to smoothen up, and also you're going to see if you have any sagginess is going away. So I feel my skin is getting saggy right here around my laugh line, so I'm going to pay, like, you know, special attention here, right here. As you can see yourself, like, my skin starts to look energizing right away. Like, look at that. Look how pink, how nice and smooth and pink it got. So guys, look for a derma roller. It's actually a Jade roller, I would say, not a derma, because there's a other derma roller which has like a needles. You don't need that. This is a very good tool. It came with another stone which is called Gosha, which I will show you tomorrow how to use it. Stay safe, stay home, and take care of yourself. Thank you.